Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in the park with Olivia Nowakowska, and we're just walking around, and we're walking around, we're vlogging, that vlog life, and
I actually look nice in this, that's why I'm doing a video, because look. It's this one I tried.
Yeah, man. Like the sun is actually so gorgeous. I'm just copying you. No, look how gorgeous. Okay, you can't see. Whatever. Let's carry on walking, guys. Anyway, Patty's live. Yeah, my name. Link in bio. And yeah, so there's a cool footage of the park that probably strangers are in. But I don't care.
Even recording.
Yeah, look.
Okay.
Oh, look at the eyes.
Just zoom in.
Oh, fuck.
Maybe I should do one English.
Oh, damn. Oh no, I'm recording.
Wait, what about Snapchat?
Yes. Anyway, we're by the park. I need to be a professional vlogger. I have to put it out, not like this.
That's what you do all the time.
No, I don't do that. I go like this.
Hello, my name is Olivia. Go to my YouTube channel. Hey, subscribe. Yeah, link in bio. That's what she's gonna do.
You mean description?
No, you can say in bio.
Oh. Yo, we're gonna walk so far. I want to walk to the really end. I remember when it was snowing. So let me tell you a story, okay? It was snowing, and then my uncle, he had it was girl that photo, and it was like a lot of snow, yeah. And then he was pulling us on like a little sleigh, and then down there's like apparently a river, but you have to go a little bit far. And we were sliding because it was kind of frozen, and he slid us through like a bridge, and we nearly fell in that river.
Wow, interesting story.
Yeah, so cool. Story time. I want to do a TikTok with the shook.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Wait,
I'm next
that's
to
my
every single
contact. Like, look at the view, man.
I can't see nothing before. There you go.
This is a little view.
What the heck?
Yeah,
My
YouTubers.
brother's new profile.
So guys, this is the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give a thumbs up. There'll be probably a new vlog tomorrow in the park, but it's going to be way different. It's going to be way more funner and way more prettier. I'm talking quietly because I have a cough, my throat hurts, I'm losing my voice, I can be getting sick, but that's okay. That doesn't mean it'll ruin my day tomorrow. Like, honey, Olivia, honey. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, please give a like, and there'll be a longer vlog tomorrow. See ya.